What's the biggest missed opportunity for a building to save money? Cleaning the air. It's that simple. The experts at ASHRAE have cracked the code on a new method to clean indoor air and save money at the same time. It's called the Indoor Air Quality Procedure, or IAQP, and it helps save energy, lower operational costs, reduce your carbon footprint just by cleaning the air. It can even lower new construction costs. Here's how. Most commercial buildings keep their indoor air clean by bringing in a percentage of outdoor air. It's a standard called VRP, or ventilation rate procedure. But VRP has major weaknesses in energy efficiency and safety. Outside air is often hotter, colder, or more humid than inside air, so it needs to be conditioned. Depending on how cold or hot your climate zone is, that can get pretty expensive. Let's face it, warming air from below freezing to room temperature gets costly quickly. And have you seen outdoor air recently? It's more polluted than it used to be, so bringing it in can sometimes make indoor air dirtier, not cleaner. The ASHRAE standard, 62.12022 Indoor Air Quality Procedure, gives us a better way by purifying the indoor air through performance-based ventilation. The better the purification, the less outdoor air you need to bring in, and the less you spend on heating or cooling and dehumidifying that air. That's because you're recirculating purified air that's already been conditioned. So understanding IAQP isn't hard, but figuring out how to take advantage of it can seem daunting. The good news is Airbox will take care of everything for you. As a turnkey clean air solution, we'll do everything from ventilation calculations and engineering support to providing the most effective HEPA and molecular adsorbent purification equipment, as well as offering verification testing and ongoing support. We start with a feasibility study to make sure IAQP is right for your building. Then, to enable the procedure, Airbox has created a line of large air purifiers capable of cleaning everything from large spaces, such as gyms and amphitheaters, up to entire buildings. Our high-volume purifiers meet or exceed all current air standards, letting you make your indoor air pristine, which means you can keep more of the outside air out. Welcome to the future of ventilation. To learn more about how IAQP can help you save energy and money, visit us at airboxamerica.com.